साहब एंड मैथमेटिशियंस और सबसे बढ़कर हमारे ऑडियंस फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स नेशनल मैथमेटिक्स डे टू 2023 द थीम इज मैथमेटिक्स फॉर एवरीवन. Mathematics and calculations are an integral part of our lives, from learning mathematics in schools to implementing them in our regular lives. We can't ignore the significance of this subject. There is also a fun in teaching the mathematics. The tricks and tips make it more interesting. The mentor and friend of Sri Ramanujan that I talk of G.H. Hardy, he says that there is no permanent place in the world of ugly mathematics. It may be very hard to define mathematical beauty, but that is just as true of beauty of any kind. We may say that we may not know quite what we mean by a beautiful poem, but that doesn't preventing us from recognizing one when we read it. Likewise, Felix Kalin has defined it. Mathematics in general is fundamentally the science of self-evidence and evident things. Cantor has defined the essence of mathematics lies in its freedom. C.P. Metz says all mathematical truths are relative and conditional. A true believer in mathematics, Albert Einstein, has remarked the whole of science is nothing more than a refinement of everyday thinking. Every year, National Mathematical Day is celebrated in India right from 2012. The field of mathematics has been enriched with the contribution of mathematicians such as Aryabhata, Brahmagupta, Mahavira, Bhaskara II, Srinivasa Ramanujan, and etc. and etc. People remember and pay their tributes and respects to Shri Ramanujan on this day in throughout the nook and corner of India, and laud him of his contributions in the field of mathematics. From 2022, 22nd of October of December, the birth anniversary of Shri Ramanujan, people come together to raise awareness about importance of mathematics for the development of mathematics and humanity. For humanity, mathematics has in its relation with the explanation of course of nature, as Whitehead has rightly said. With the calculus as a key, mathematics can be successfully applied to the explanation of the course of nature. Ramanujan's contributions towards mathematics, he has worked in the field of complex analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continuous fractions. Infinite series for pi, the contribution of mathematics of Ramanujan. In 1914, he found a formula for continuous series for pi, which forms the basis of many major arithmetics used today. Algorithms are used today. Game theory. Ramanujan discovered a long list of new ideas for solving many challenging mathematical problems that have given great impetus to the development of game theory. It is based on his intuition and natural talent, unmatched, up-to-date mock theta function. He also elaborated on mock theta function, a concept in the field of modular forms of mathematics. Ramanujan number, as has been said, 17, 2029, 1700 to 29 can be expressed in two different ways, as the sum of cubes 10 cube plus 9 cube or 12 cube plus 1 cube. Similarly, circle method along the Hardy along with Hardy invention, he invented circle method, which gave his approximation of patterns of numbers beyond 200 200 to solve notorious complex problems of 20th century. For example, Varangas conference. Have a nice day. Wakru dawana and alhamdulillah.